Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be removing and re-greasing the Eccentric chain adjuster. Now I've had the hub off on this in the past just to check the bearings, but I didn't actually take the Eccentric chain adjuster off. So here we go. So the nut on the left hand side is the same as the one on the right hand side. It's a 46mm. It's a stake nut, so it might take a little bit of effort to move it. So I haven't bothered showing you how the wheel came off. That's pretty straightforward, but I'll pop a link at the top of the screen. Now that is a staked nut, which is sacrificial. You should change it. Whether you change it or not is entirely up to you. Your brake caliper must come off. Keep an eye on that ring, don't lose it. And we need to carefully remove the ABS sensor. Okay, so noting your bolt, the bracket and small washer, which is interchangeable, so you can adjust the air gap. Just going to put this bolt on the back just to hold everything in place. And we're going to need to remove the circlip that holds on the brake caliper carrier. I don't think I've given you the best view here. The circlip pliers is on the limit of how far it'll open out. Cool. I don't like doing it that way. I don't like prizing it off because I don't want to stress the circlip. But sometimes you just got to do it that way. Okay, and you can see there's small residues of copper grease, but you can see how it's drying out. So we're going to give this a good clean. Okay, so we've got the wire wheel on the drill. go, nice and clean and shiny. Okay, so here are all the bits that we just took off the rear hub. We're going to give these all a good clean. A little wire wheel for this. Just check the bearings for any funny noises. All seems good. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just going to put a bit of grease here. So I'm going to get quite a lot of copper grease on this because it doesn't come off very often. People tend to sort of just leave it. There we go. It's quite a good smear of grease on there. Let's get this back together. Okay, to help get this back on, it's not a bad idea to just try and widen that slightly. It stops all the grease coming off then when you put the hub back in. Okay, and the brake caliper carrier, which has again got a smear of grease on it. I just had to widen those prongs out just a little bit. It just didn't have quite enough reach. Cool. Okay, now just getting the disc and the hub back on. I'm giving the shaft of this a little smear of grease. Don't forget this little washer. And then the hub. Done up lightly for the moment. Okay, now your ABS sensor needs to go on. It does need a little bit of thread lock. Might have been easier to do this before I put the hub back on. Okay, now the torque wrench setting for this ABS sensor is 9 Newton meters, which isn't a lot. So the gap for the ABS sensor should be between 0.1 and 1.5 mil. Now this one looks quite tight. I didn't check it before I took it off. It looks very tight. Which is very strange. Quite tight, that one. That's point one and it's just snagging. I think what we'll do is tighten it all up first and then double check it again. Okay, I'm just going to dry fit this for a moment without any thread lock. I took the sensor back on. Sorry, I took the sensor back off so I could measure the gap or measure the washer. And I either dropped the washer or it wasn't on there to start with. Maybe I dropped it when I was putting it on originally. So I got another washer. Now you can buy these off Triumph, and they're described as spacers. I can only see it as being a washer. Getting the wheel on is really awkward with this side exhaust on it. Just going to tighten up both of these bolts. They're 146 Newton meters. When refitting the wheel, I did notice that the conicled washer has a crack in it. Now, I'm not sure how this would have happened. Maybe it's people using power tools when they put the wheel back on. Anyway, a new washer has been ordered. Okay, after double checking that air gap, I'm getting 0.8 of a millimetre again, which is well within tolerance. So that's pretty much the end of the video. All I got to do now is just tighten up the chain. If you like that, hit like and subscribe to the channel.